How to fix Telegram too many attempts. Please try again later during verification process. So if you're trying to verify your Telegram, like if you're receiving the code, but if it says too many attempts while verification process, then what you need to do is tap and hold on to your Telegram application for a few seconds. Tap on the app info, go with storage and cache, go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, you need to go with clear storage. Once you tap on clear storage, now again here you will have clear cache. Tap on it and then tap on clear cache. Once you've done this, now your problem might be fixed. You can just simply go with your Telegram application and try. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with your Play Store and go with search. Under search, you need to search for Telegram. And after searching, if you have any updates under your Telegram application, then you just need to simply go and update it. And after updating, you need to open up your settings. On your settings, you can go with search. Under search, you need to search for date and time. Tap on date and time, which is under your system settings. And here you need to turn off set time automatically and then change your date or change your time. Once you've changed that, then you can go and try the verification process. It might fix your problem. Or if anything doesn't work, then you need to open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, search for Telegram. Tap on the application. And here under app support, you need to go with the right side, which has that drop down. And here you will have the email. So you need to tap on the email, which is under the app support, and go with Gmail. And you can go with just once or always. And it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you can simply enter your problem. You need to type that I'm facing a problem with too many attempts, so please help me with the verification process. I want to verify my Telegram account. And you need to enter your number, your account name. That's how you can fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.